Yesu aca urubanza rw'ukuri.
Jesus will give a good judgment. Because he does not make a decision by himself. Because a decision made by one man, you may say that maybe they took corners. But he said that when he judges right, because he does not judge alone, but he judges together with his Father. Because it was him who sent him.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Jesus will judge rightfully. And there is a time where he will judge on the very last day. He will judge rightfully. He will not judge by himself. When you read Revelation 20, he speaks about how things were going to happen. How John saw a big seat of God. He was sitting on it. And they that were dead were resurrected. And all of them went past that seat. And every single one of them were judged according to their deeds. You see the time where we will be judged according to our deeds. It will be a right judgment. There will be no one who will be misled, or there will be no partiality. There will be no partiality. You will be rewarded according to your deeds. So therefore today, while we are still breathing, let us do good deeds so that the reward could be great. Hallelujah.